What's going on, guys? It's Mr. DEBT Joe Lorick from the Money Etiquette Group. Look, I want to speak really quickly about cryptocurrency. Bitcoin stopped being a tool in which an average person can become a 100,000aire or a millionaire in 2015. The reason being is because in 2015, that was the last time that we saw Bitcoin priced at $175 per coin. At $175 per coin, you could have purchased 8 coins for a little over $1,400. What that means is that today, if you had 8 coins, based on where the market is, that would be $100,000. If you try to invest in Bitcoin today, you could not duplicate those efforts unless you're putting tens of thousands, even hundreds of thousands into the market. Bitcoin is rich coin. It's wealth coin. Bitcoin is a wealthy investment for wealthy people. Don't get caught up in the hype and think you're going to make trillions and billions and you're going to get generational wealth at this point if you don't already have it from Bitcoin, if you don't have tens of thousands to put into Bitcoin. But you know what else was true in 2000, let's just say 16 and 17 and 18, and it's still true today? That cryptocurrencies like Ripple have made people hundreds of thousands and even millions because the amount of money needed to do so is smaller. We're talking about a coin that was worth less than a penny, fractions of a penny, that once it became worth for those early investors 10 cents, they made hundreds of thousands or even some of them millions because they only put in $10,000 at the time, $5,000 at the time. Well, today, even though, let's say Ripple is worth nearly 50 cents, you still can put in a low amount of money as compared to what you can put in Bitcoin and make a lot from it. Today, even at 50 cents, okay, at 50 cents, half a dollar, if you were to put $5,000 into Ripple, that's going to get you 10,000 Ripple. So once it reaches $1, remember what I said, you put in 5, right? Once it reaches $1, you're at $10,000. You've gained $5,000. You've doubled your money. If it reaches $2, $3, $4, you're at $40,000 and you started with 5. If it grows to $10 plus, just think about that again. You have 10,000. All it would have to do is get to $10 for you to get $100,000 from your initial $5,000 investment. And I can tell you right now that $10 is realistic with Ripple. Again, we've been talking about it for years, guys. This is a real world usage case. Ripple is not a great idea. Ripple is being used. That MoneyGram purchase was big. MoneyGram is going to use XRP, not just be on RippleNet. They're going to use XRP. They're already doing it, but they'll use it for more of their transfers. Other businesses that have been in the testing phases that I told you about in 2017, 2018 are starting to use XRP. This is real world usage. And it's cheap. But the time frame in which you can invest $5,000 or even $1,000 or even $3,000 and turn that into 10, 20, 30,000 just by seeing that value increase by a few dollars, the opportunity, the window to take advantage of that is going to close quickly. I expect, and this is a prediction, I don't know for a fact, that when Ripple starts to hit $2, $3, $4, I don't believe it's going to go under $1 again. I don't believe we're going to see 20 cents again. I think we're done with 20 cents. And that was just a few months ago.